Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today I'll be making some cheeseburger sliders. So I'm using ground beef. I'm just seasoning the ground beef. Then I'm going to be adding some onions. This is an easy and simple recipe you can make for yourself or others. Okay, so after it's done, I'm just going to show you the rolls I'm using. I'm using the Hawaiian rolls. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button. So now it's time to put the cheese. I'm using mild cheddar cheese. Okay, so once I was done making the sliders, I went ahead and put it in the oven. Then when that was done, I made a mixture of butter, garlic, and oregano, and I just spread it on top.